everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural, and today I am going to show you how I hide the smell of onion juice in my hair. I've not done onion juice in the past, and the reason is because I cannot stand the smell of these things right here. Now there are different kind of onions that you can use. We have over here the white onion, and then we have the red onion and the yellow onion. This onion right here, this is the most potent one. This is the most popular one. This is the one that has the most sulfur, and you guys know that the sulfur is the main ingredient of hair growth, is the main ingredient of, you know, stimulating scalp to generate all that lovely hair growth that you guys always see when people use onions in their hair. Well, this particular sulfur helps to formulate keratin in the hair, and it also helps you for hair growth, and it also helps you with your scalp if you have dandruff and things of that sort. This particular yellow one contains vitamin C, which is 20% vitamin C. It contains 4% calcium and 2% iron. Now it also has protein, and the amount of protein it has about 2 grams of protein. Thank you, Google, for telling me all that. So the white onion, it has a mild flavor. This is the ones that you use when you have your salad and your food and things of that sort. That only has about 15 grams of vitamin C, 4 grams of calcium, iron 2%, and not 4 grams, 15%, not grams, people. So, and it also has 1 gram of protein. So this is not the one that you really want to use when you're doing your oil juice for your onion juice for your hair. Now the red onion, this is the one I actually grew up with. It's used in salads, it's used in Nigerian stew, obe, and it's also used in different things. It contains 15% vitamin C, 4% calcium, iron 2%, and protein 1 gram. A lot of information about onion juice, I got it from Green Beauty channel and my uncle Google. You can decide which one you want to use. The yellow one has the strongest smell according to my uncle Google, and this is why I want to try this smell proof thing with this yellow one. So I've chopped up my onions right here, and the next thing is to blend. Strain the onion juice. I'm using this penny hose. Try and squeeze as much onion juice as you can get out. You can see it's gonna start dripping in there. So this is about 50 ml. That's about a 1/4 cup of onion juice. People wonder how to preserve their onion juice. Personally, I think you should just cut the amount that is necessary for your hair for that wash day. But if you can't, if you just have a big one and you want to store it, you can store the blended onion in ice cubes like this. I have a couple of oils right here, and the first oil is lemon oil. Now lemon oil has antifungal properties that can help you with your scalp. It helps to clean the scalp, kind of clog the scalp, and also to help with the follicles, and it also helps you against dandruff and things of that sort. Next, it also has properties that can help with stimulating regrowth of hair. Lemongrass, on the other hand, helps strengthen the hair follicles, and it also contains antibacterial properties that help give you healthy scalp, and you all know that healthy hair grows from healthy scalp. So we're just going to add about 3 drops. So this is what helps you to match the smell, and this is pretty much it. I'm going to show you how I apply it to my hair now, and that is pretty much it. As I said, I'm going to keep in my hair for about an hour. I'm not going to do overnight just because I want to wash my hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up and let me know if you're going to try this and what you think of the results. Thanks for watching. Bye.